First, there was a dream. Now, there is reality.
My name is Q, Easy Q.
Who is number one?
I am number one.
You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
Pump up the volume, pump up the volume.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
You can.
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
You can.
Yes, you can.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
Well, I'm
Here's
gone.
what I want you all to do for me.
Bang! Caught you looking for the same thing. It's a new thing. Check out this I bring. The roll below the level, cause I'm living low next to the base. Come on! Turn up the radio. They're claiming I'm a criminal. But now I wonder how. Some people never know. The enemy could be the Frank Guardian. I'm now a hooligan. I rock the party and clear all the madness. I'm not a
That was the Dog Pound here right on W Balls 187.4 on your FM dial. You're tuned into the biggest balls of them all, DJ Salt, T-Nuts. Hey, don't forget about my homeboy Easy Dick in the Jack Off Hour. That's happening at 12 o'clock tonight. Right now we got some new Snoop Doggy Dogg for that ass. This one is called The Shiznit. You're about to go downtown, bitch, right here on the station that plays only platinum hits. That's 187.4 on your FM dial. If you're licking, that's W Balls.
You make me feel so good.
Bad
You know
boy.
you make me feel so good. You know you make me feel so good.
That's what we do. Yeah. What you know about going out? Head west, red legs, TVs, all up in the headrest. Try and live it up. Rock jewel, bigger truck, piece all glittered up. Stick a kid, nigga, what? Jig with a cut, sip Chris, spit it up. Hoes rock, get your nut till I can't get it up. I'm a big man, get this man room. I done hit everything from Cancun to Grand Tune.
Bad boy.
Yeah.
You make me feel so good.
Bad
You know
boy.
you make me feel so good. You know you make me feel so good.
That's what we do.